So next I'm going to make a raspberry Victoria sponge cake using added steam in the oven. I've already put quite a lot of the ingredients in this bowl ready for mixing. So we've got 300 grams of self-raising flour, 300 grams of butter, 300 grams of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 6 eggs already in here. I'm going to add some vanilla bean paste. I'm going to just put a couple of teaspoons full of that to give it a really nice flavour. And now those are all ready to be mixed together.
No cap, I'm built to last. You want one more round? I told her bed first. No sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silently.
Okay, so our cake ingredients are all mixed together now. So I've got a lovely batter in here. So I'm going to transfer it to these 2 tins and then we can bake it in the oven.
Let's get lost in ecstasy.
To use added steam to bake a cake, we have to select our type of heating first. We're going to use Circotherm. It's a really good all-rounder. It's perfect for cakes. 180 degrees is absolutely fine. As we move further across to the right, you can see a little bit here that says add steam. So we're going to add steam and we're going to go level 2. In most cases, level 2 will be adequate for whatever it is that you're cooking, but a lot of this is a personal preference. So depending on how you like your food cooked, you might want to go for a lower level of steam or a higher level of steam. So now I'm going to add our cakes to the oven. I'm going to press play and I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. Okay, so our Victoria sponges are ready. They're looking lovely and really nice and springy. So we're going to just leave these to cool down and then we'll be ready to dress them.
To get me caught up in a flame. No rules, now we just play the game. In the fast lane, she do the rain.
Okay, so we've got one of our steamed Victoria sponge cakes already here on this tray. Already covered it in some raspberry jam, and I've been whipping some cream, which I'm now going to add to this.
Hands on me like gravity. Hands on me like gravity.
Okay, so we're more or less finished now at Kutchenhaus in Frome. If you want any more information from the staff here at Kutchenhaus, please get in touch with them direct. It's Kutchenhaus, Bristol, Bath and Frome. My name's Emma and I'm from BSH, and hopefully you'll try some of the NEFF recipes that I've been cooking today and yesterday at home.